Want to sound like a native when talking about your morning? Real English, real life, let's go. Episode 1, Up and On, my morning routine. Beep, beep, beep. My alarm goes off at 7 a.m. But of course, I hate snooze. Just 5 more minutes. After second alarm, I finally drag myself out of bed. I'm not a morning person, so I take a minute to sit on the edge of my bed and gather my thoughts. I shuffle to the bathroom, splash some cold water on my face, and brush my teeth. It's not glamorous, but it wakes me up. Then I threw on some sweatpants and a hoodie and head to the kitchen. First things first, I need my coffee fix. I brew a cup and scroll through my phone while I sip. Emails, messages, memories, the usual. Breakfast, nothing fancy. Usually just toast with peanut butter. Or if I'm lazy, I will grab a banana. After that, I hop in shower. A quick one, just enough to feel fresh. Then I threw on some decent, glance at my calendar, and get ready to face the day. By 9 a.m., I'm out the door, backpack on, keys in hand, and ready to take on the world. Native-like vocabulary and phrases. Hit snooze. Press the snooze button to delay the alarm. Drag myself out of bed. Get out of bed slowly with effort. Gather my thoughts. Take a moment to think clearly. Shuffle to the bathroom. Walk slowly, almost sliding your feet. Splash cold water. Wash your face with cold water to feel awake. Throw on. Put on gloves quickly and casually. Coffee fix. A cup of coffee you need to feel normal. Hop in the shower. Get into the shower quickly. Take on the world. Start the day with confidence and energy. Scroll through my phone. Check your phone by moving your finger up and down the screen.